The Brandenburg Gate, an iconic symbol of Berlin and German history, stands as a monumental gateway that encapsulates centuries of political, cultural, and historical significance. Located at the heart of the German capital, this neoclassical triumphal arch not only serves as a grand entrance to the city but also as a powerful representation of unity, freedom, and the resilience of the German people. Constructed between 1788 and 1791, the Brandenburg Gate has witnessed pivotal moments in European history. Its imposing Doric columns, exquisite reliefs, and crowned chariot sculpture atop the gate have become synonymous with Berlin itself. The gate was initially a symbol of peace, but over the years, it bore witness to tumultuous events such as Napoleon's conquests, the rise of the Third Reich, and the division of Berlin during the Cold War. Following the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989, the Brandenburg Gate became a symbol of the reunification of East and West Germany. The iconic image of the gate surrounded by a jubilant crowd marked a historic moment of hope, unity, and a new era of freedom. The Pariser Platz, the square in front of the Brandenburg Gate, is a vibrant gathering space where visitors can engage with street performers, enjoy outdoor exhibitions, and simply take in the grandeur of the gate against the backdrop of modern Berlin. The gate is often illuminated in the evenings, creating a dramatic and awe-inspiring sight. Special events and cultural festivals frequently take place at the Brandenburg Gate, further cementing its role as a symbol of celebration, cultural exchange, and international unity. The Brandenburg Gate is conveniently located within walking distance of other significant landmarks such as the Reichstag building, the Holocaust Memorial, and the Unter den Linden boulevard, making it a central point for exploring Berlin's historical and cultural attractions. Today, the Brandenburg Gate continues to be a gathering place for locals and tourists alike, embodying the values of democracy, freedom, and open dialogue. Its presence reminds visitors of the resilience of the human spirit and the power of coming together to overcome adversity. The Brandenburg Gate transcends its role as an architectural masterpiece. It is a testament to human endurance, a symbol of unity, and a living link to Germany's complex history. Whether it's contemplating its historical significance, taking part in contemporary events, or simply marveling at its grandeur, the Brandenburg Gate invites visitors to embark on a journey that delves into the heart of Berlin's narrative and its enduring spirit.